The famous photographer Jarvis Chase once said that the best camera is the one with you. And given the fact that our smartphones are always with us, it will be a great advantage having a phone that has a high resolution, great camera specs, and some more added features for your videos or your pictures, and also for your vlogging needs. And here are the 10 reasons why you should consider the Xiaomi 12 Lite as your next vlogging phone. Let's have a look. Let's go. What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here. Welcome back to All About Me. Let's start with the reason number 1, which is the 32 megapixel front-facing camera of the Xiaomi 12 Lite. The front camera features a 1/2.8 inches large sensor with autofocus, reflecting the best of you with sharper focus and even more remarkable shots. I find the video using the front-facing camera crisp and great in capturing color details. It looks natural and fairly stable when I'm on the move. Alright, now let's move on to reason number 2, which is the selfie LED lights. When traveling, it is always best to travel light. One feature of the Xiaomi 12 Lite is the Xiaomi Selfie Glow, a front dual LEDs which keeps you lit up whenever needed. You can vlog at any time, even at night. It's a game changer for vloggers or selfie fanatics. Now let's move to reason number 3, which is its battery life. Even though this is a light version, it has a huge battery for its size. It has a 4,300 milliamp hour. What? It has a 4,300 milliamp hour. Isn't that too small? It actually would last you more than a day. You might say that the battery size is not as big as most phones today. Well, which is true, but the battery for the Xiaomi 12 Lite is already huge considering its lightweight design. It can last 18 hours in video and 121 hours on continuous music. It is fair to say that you have full day vlogging including video playback and uploading to your social media. That brings us to reason number 4. The Xiaomi 12 Lite supports 67 watts turbo charging and also comes with a 67 watts power adapter out from the box. This is to keep you on the go. You can charge your phone from 0 to 100% in just 41 minutes. And that will get you back vlogging in no time. Alright, let's now move on to reason number 5, which is its fast processor. I was not disappointed with its performance, even running multiple apps and even uploading to my social media at the same time. The speedy Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset didn't disappoint at all. I used Adobe Lightroom and Adobe Rush for quick editing on the phone whilst on the go. I even played a few games on the phone and clearly it can handle them without any hiccup. Games like Call of Duty Mobile, Apex Legends, Dragon Ball Legends, and Diablo Immortal. And it also has some impressive AnTuTu benchmark score. And by the way, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. I do a ton of Xiaomi unboxing reviews and walkthroughs. If you're looking to get your very first MIUI device, a Xiaomi phone, a Poco phone, or probably you already own one and you want to know more about features of your phone, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified once I upload a new video. Alright, now let's move on to reason number 6, which is its 5G. So the Xiaomi 12 Lite download and upload speed has been fantastic with its 5G capability. Speed is not an issue at all, even while streaming, uploading files and videos, or even just sharing great content to my friends. Reason number 7 is its design. It has like that squarish, stylish design with some edge. It's flat on the back, flat on the front, but it's quite thin. Not as thin as the previous version, the Xiaomi 11 Lite. It's still pretty light and slim, and even has a very trendy, edgy design. It's not slippery, and it has a matte back finish. And because it's light and slim, you won't get uncomfortable when you're holding it for quite some time, probably shooting videos or even holding it and shooting some portrait selfie videos. It's not slippery at all. I got a good grip on the phone, but you can always use the case that came with it. So this case would actually give you more grip. Phone won't slip at all whilst you're probably on the go. I can see the camera panel is quite stylish. I like how it looks. It has triple rear cameras and the main shooter is a 108 megapixel with a dual tone flash, and on the left hand side you can see that there's a volume button and also a power button. So the power button is not a fingerprint sensor because it has an in-display fingerprint sensor, and at the top you have the microphone, you'll have the speaker, and also an IR blaster, and at the bottom you'll have the secondary speaker, you have the Type-C port, you'll also have the microphone and a SIM tray with dual nano SIM. That brings us to the front, which is the display, and that is the reason number 8. The display is just perfect perfect, but there are two main reasons why. Let me mention to you a few. First is its size, 6.55 inches. The best size for vlogging, and while you're on the go, usually just like me, I actually just keep waving when I'm talking. So if you are like that too, that means you're only holding one hand on the phone. One hand operation is very manageable on this phone, and it also has a full HD plus AMOLED display, which has more vibrant colors, strong contrast with true colors, which is best for editing photos and videos on the go. It has a 120Hz refresh rate, great for gaming or browsing through your gallery, supports HDR10 plus and Dolby Vision for a much more punchier and dynamic and adds more depth to your picture or video. And also, once you're outdoors, bright sunlight is not an issue because it has an 800 nits brightness and great protection with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And the list goes on for its display. And the dot is not very small because it has a 32 megapixel front-facing camera, but nevertheless, it doesn't bother me while watching any videos or maybe some playback, some of my videos. And also the bezels are not very thick, only the bottom part is slightly thicker, but the bezels are not bothering me at all. Now let's move along to reason number 9 with the 108 megapixel triple rear camera. The triple rear camera is super flexible and could cover all photography and videography enthusiasts. For me, I love making b-rolls with the phone to add on my video content. I can shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second, and you can also get stable handheld shots. I enjoy filming wide angle and macro videos too. Not only that, the pictures taken in the Xiaomi 12 Lite are stunning. Look at these pictures, tell me what you think, and I'm not joking at all. It looks really amazing, rich in colors, and I took these pictures just point and shoot. And even on low light, it has some great pictures as well. Now it brings us to the last one, reason number 10, which is the sound quality. The dual speakers are loud with the right amount of boom for its bass, and it has a clear separation with a high tone. Crisp vocals and music and on YouTube videos. Clearly perfect for your video playback or music on a loud speaker. Let's give it a go. Let me try playing some music and some audio. Let's see how clear it is. Before we wrap up this video, let me give you a bonus reason why I would think this phone is great for vlogging. That will be because of its software. It is preloaded with MIUI 13. It has some latest and greatest features of Xiaomi or MIUI loaded in this phone, and the MIUI 13 is very smooth, and I really love how it actually reacts to any navigation of the phone, especially on the camera. And also it is preloaded with the Android 12 with the latest security patch. That's it for today. Those are the 10 reasons why I think the Xiaomi 12 Lite is your next or is the best vlogging phone this 2022. Let me know what you think. If I missed something, you can leave a comment down below. This has been Christian from All About Me, and I'll see you on the next video.